Laksana. I want to be the best at helping people build consistency, and I'm really aware that I'm currently not the best. So that's why I need to rehearse consistently in order to be the best at helping people build consistency. So here's the script that I wanted to rehearse. Today, this is a short script. Here's the problem that lots of people face whenever they wanted to be consistent at doing something. They create on a plan, they manage to stick to that plan for 5 or 6 days, but on day 7, something happened and they didn't do the thing because, I don't know, maybe like they forgot to do the thing, or some other obstacles, some other reasons. And the problem here is that most people, they think that they need to restart all over again when they miss a day. Okay, they need to abandon their plan, and they have lost all of their progress just because they miss one day. Okay, so this is the problem. And yeah, basically they go back to their usual day-to-day life, changing nothing, because they have already thought that, oh, you know what, I have failed, there's no point in continuing doing the thing, so yeah, I'm just gonna be stopping. I'm gonna stop doing the thing. So notice, okay, so here's the thing. The truth is, the best consistency plan can only be achieved when you actually execute a plan, find a problem, stumble upon a problem, okay, encounter a problem, and then you revise the plan to overcome that problem. Okay, so you are not going to get the best and from the beginning. There are going to be trials and errors. Just like applications and software go from version 1 and then get updated to version 1.1 with better features and less error, and also gets updated to version 1.2 with even more better stuff and even less errors. You do not restart every time there's a bug, an error in your apps, right? So what do you do instead? The thing that you do is you identify the bug, identify the error, and then you create on a solution to fix the bug, to fix the error. So we are going to be applying the same principle, the same thing to consistency building. Let's say you want to be consistent at reading. Hi Kyle RZ. Thank you for watching this live stream. So here's the thing. Let's say you wanted to be creating a plan of reading a book every single day. The thing that you wanted to be doing here is to basically grab on a pen and a paper and write version 1. My plan is to read a book for 5 minutes every day. You just basically write down your plan on the paper, okay? Your plan is to read 5 minutes every single day, read a book for 5 minutes every single day. But then, there's going to be days when you miss doing the thing, okay? You stumble upon a problem. Every single time you miss a day like this, right, you reflect on yourself. Why did you miss a day? So for example, you miss a day because you forgot to do it. So again, basically you are going to be searching for a solution on how to fix this problem, how not to forget to do the thing again. So let's say the solution is simple. Set on an alarm to remind yourself to do the 5 minutes of book reading. So the thing that you are going to be doing here is that you are going to be grabbing the paper, right? Grab the paper again and basically write update version 1.1. My plan is to read a book for 5 minutes every day at 5 a.m. and I have set on an alarm in my phone to remind myself. So basically, again, we are creating a plan, stumble upon a problem, reflect to ourselves, okay? We do not say to ourselves, oh yeah, I failed, there's no hope anymore, blah, 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 blah. No, the thing that we do is we reflect to ourselves why this problem happens, what can we fix about it, how can we not encounter the same problem again in the future, how can we improve the plan, right? And then actually do something about it and write down on the paper, okay? So that's basically how you stay consistent at doing something. And yeah, I wish you all the best, guys. Bye bye.